Welcome to the best of U.S. investors, Nvidia daily price range projections review of today, Tuesday, November 12th. And today we're going to jump in real quick. Going to try to make this really precise and quick for you. So today we did close up roughly what was that? 2.9, 2.09%, which is good. And we had a open at 146.78 and a close at 148.29. The high, we had a higher high intraday, which was 149.65. That's higher than yesterday's high. And then 148.29 on, we had a higher low with that. So momentum is going in the right direction. Volume was up quite a bit. So that was good. So higher volume today. So our RSI was up as well at 64.35. The MACD basically stayed neutral like it did yesterday, and the slow stochastic is in that overbought category at 88.61. So what does that tell us? Well, right now, if we're looking at this, we have basically a resistance level here. And we saw that also at 135, if I remember correctly. It sort of bounced around the 140 or until the election, and then we broke out. And we have had basically an update on Wednesday the 6th, the 7th, and then the 8th. We closed lower and then closed lower on Monday, and now we're back up. So we're basically fighting this upper band. And so what I look for then is I go to my calculator and I take a look at that. So let's check that out as well. Nothing is updated yet. So today we started the day, Tuesday the 12th, with a score of 3. Um, Today we closed at 148.29. Our projections were for the day were a low end of 132 to 151. We did see an increase in IVOL premium. So that tells me that from a contrarian point of view, that there is a lot of people shorting this. So if it comes out with some news or some event happens that's in a positive light for NVIDIA, we could see a push higher because those puts will unwind. So right now, though, we are at that sort of all-time high range around 149.05. Just say 149.50 would be more of the all-time high for it. So if we can see a push higher, and as the premium, IVOL premium continues to increase, that gives us a good chance that we're going to see a push higher. Now, if we see the IVOL premium decline, meaning people are not shorting the position, but instead they're buying, say, call contracts because they think it'll go higher, and we're at the top end of this range. We're really darn close, about 1.58% to what we projected for the high end today. That could be a negative because if it goes at discount and you're at the high for the day or for the our projected high, then there's not as much energy to push it higher. So we're up near that, and the way we interpret that is one, we be cautious at this point. We want to see what transpires. Are we at the top? Are we going to see a pullback like we did in previous weeks up into the election? Possibly, maybe challenge that 15-day trend. But overall, it looks like we're just sort of staircasing up. So this is a area where I accumulated some shares today of Nvidia. Not a lot, but just a handful, just so I could get more exposure. Of course, run your trailing stop losses depending on how much risk what's your time frame. If you're trading this like on a day-to-day kind of basis, then your stops maybe you want to be tight. If you're looking more like quarterly, yearly kind of thing, long term, then your stops may be more wider than if you were day trading it. So my take is, I think we're setting up for something possibly to go higher. we're definitely up against that all-time highs. If we see a break through that, then we could see this thing make a move higher going forward. So check back tomorrow. If you're not signed up for the free Nvidia daily price range projection, go to the link below at bestofusinvestors.com/services. You'll see where you can sign up for free. You get my morning email, which has the updated high end and low end projections, as well as a couple other things and some commentary. So it's totally free. Go check it out. We are building this out for the Mag 7, along with three indexes. We may throw in some crypto in there as well. We're working on that, but that will be a part of the silver channel, which is $9.95 a month. Stay tuned. I know I've been talking a lot about it, but want to make sure it's perfect and it's dialed in. So thank you for joining. Hit the subscription button, hit the like button, share with a friend. Thanks for all you do, and live loud.